So we need just C, E minor, A minor, F, G, and back to C.
All the keys being played are randomly placed below. Identify the sequence of the key and write the sequence on the comment section. Is it C goes after what? Put the sequence on the comment section following the sound.
This is our C position. Okay. And C appears 4 times in the song. 4 times in the song. So it is very important. Then this is our E minor. It's a kind of, yeah. This is our E minor. And the E minor appears just once. At the beginning. So E minor appears just once and it's on the first line. Then A minor appears twice. This is the A minor position. A minor. And when you are picking A minor, you also pick just the same way you pick A. So, and it appears immediately after the E minor. So when you are seeing so that's, we need our A minor, and it's very important, it appears twice. Then we need F. This is our F. Or if you prefer, you can do the bar. Still the same. The bar has, a bass. Still the same. This is our F that we need. And then G. This is our G position. And you may prefer to play your G this way, still fine. Still fine. Or simply this way. Or this way. Whichever position you prefer to intend, all will go. So let's, using these keys that we have just showed now, let's play it slowly. Then, and our picking is on 4/4. 'It', we'll call the keys as we change. C, E, A minor, attention, all the keys have just one measure. One measure, 144 in one measure. This is what we meant. One. This on C now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We change. But when we come to A minor, we are going to play that 1, 2, 3, 4 two times. Then start again, and we are still in A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play the first three keys, and you will observe what we mean by the two measurement, you know, in a repeated measure. Yes, a repeated measure. So we are going to repeat at AM, A minor. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are done with C. Then we go to E minor. Now we go to A minor. We have not stopped there. We will repeat it again. Only once. Only once. Now, in G, we are going to repeat it twice. Just the first G. The second G is just one. And the second A minor is only once. And the last C is twice. So now let's play it slowly, and we take note of the way A minor, the first A minor is repeated twice, and then the first G is repeated twice, and then the last C is repeated twice. Do not miss our next tutorials. Do subscribe for more so that we move together. See you, and thank you for following us.